How to log in into IBM Employee Service website. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into IBM Employee Service website. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up a web browser and simply search for IBM Employee Services website. After you search for that, scroll down a bit and there you'll find login to IBM option. You can open that website up. After you open that website up, all you have to do is type in your IBM ID that would have been provided to you if you were employee there. Simply type that in here. Let me just type in some random stuff. Then tap on continue and type in your password. So type in your password, and after you type in your password, tap on login and you'll get logged in into your account. And it's that simple, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.